If you're anything like me and you're completely fascinated with extremely detailed model work, you'll want to visit the World Museum of Mining. This museum is located in the middle of Montana, just outside of Butte. Inside of this museum is an incredible display of models of the buildings that existed here in a couple hundred years ago. I'm just amazed at the tens of thousands of hours of human time that went into creating these things. Here's some close-ups of some of the work that they did. And here's a video of the full collection. Obviously, the video does not do it justice. You're going to need to visit this place and look at each one in detail. Plus, the glass makes it extremely hard to take good video. If I had a museum with wonderful works of art like this behind the glass, I would have invested in the non-glare glass. In addition to the buildings, they do have a display on dolls. Well, thanks for watching.